apologize. I'm using my cell phone for videotaping today. We're using what we've got. We're building the shed that's going over the sawmill. And we're using cedar poles. And we've got a couple of poplars that we're using as a cross member. This is poplar, right?
Yeah.
Anyway, right now he's took the tractor with the grapple. We've notched off both ends of this poplar, and he's going to be
raise it up just a foot.
okay. All right, he needs a little help, so I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. What he's doing, he's notching just like he did up here. Those notches will sit on top of the pole. We're just a two-person operation, so sometimes we have to stop and help each other move. Thought you was gonna notch it.
I am, but I gotta back it away from the pole.
Oh. So anyway, we just we work together. And it's usually just me and him, so either I'm on the tractor or he's on the tractor. Now he's going to notch those. We're just kind of using what we have here on the land. These are our poles. They're going to be part of the shed that we're building. It's going to be what's known as a lean-to. Other words, it's going to be lower on one side, higher on the other. It's not a normal pitch roof. But once he gets this back hole in, right now we're just on him braced. And then he'll start running his rafters across. And the rafters are just poplar boards, 2x6s. And then the tin will sit on top of that. And that's just a good protection from weather. Okay, now he's going to set that log on top of those poles. He's got them notched out. Basically, he just has to maneuver the grapple to get the logs where he needs. He's pretty much got this one over it. And honey, I got everything over here. Okay, well, he's going to need my help, so I'll be right back again. Okay, he's now set him up there. He needed my help with the ladder. We got them notched, and they're sitting on the top of these posts. These are pretty sturdy poplars. They're about 10 inches in diameter, so. Can you take a moment, dear, and explain what we're doing?
Trying to put these poles up.
Okay, well, a little bit more.
As much as lumber is today, my sawmill won't cut 25-foot pieces. I could have somebody cut them, but I had these logs out here, so I'm just putting these logs up here. They're 25 foot. That way if I had an extension on my deck, I'll still have plenty of room for a 20-foot log. So I'm putting these on here, and I'm going to brace them up and then put my rafters on top and then the tin on top of that.
Okay. So, and it's a lean-to, correct?
Yeah, it's just a lean-to over the sawmill. Keep it dry.
Yeah. Now, I know he's going to yell at me again because he's using 2x4s. He's bracing them up right now. So we'll check back again. Okay, well, we're back. Well, we've got both of those upper supports, which is going to support the roof, basically the whole roof. We got these little side supports right now. Eventually that's going to be logs. Just doing a little by little. We hope by this weekend we're going to have this under cover. That way it will protect an investment. Costs money, so we need to protect it. So we've already worked a full day today, and we're in the afternoon, we're doing this. So as of right now, we're kind of ready to stop for a little bit, have a little bit of dinner, unwind, have an evening, a little bit of quiet time this evening. So I'm going to get over here with Randy. Randy, any final thoughts?
Wish it was done.
Wish it was done. Well, that is all for now. I'm sorry this is not a longer video, but this is just us trying to get our sawmill shed built little by little. That's part of life. Well, as always, we love you. God loves you. Y'all have a blessed day.